This is the ultimate convenience cordless vacuum cleaner. It can auto-empty itself after cleaning, so you don't need to bother about emptying it for the next 45 days or more. No more bending to reach hard-to-reach spaces, and no more applying pressure to clean stubborn dust. This is the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty cordless vacuum cleaner. Shark is globally known for their cleaning appliances, and I'm excited to try out this vacuum cleaner. Shark gave me access to the vacuum to experience, but like always, tests and opinions are my own. First, let's understand how this vacuum cleaner differs from a robot vacuum. This is a single appliance that can vacuum your floors, upholstery like sofa, beds, curtains, and can also be used for dusting. On the other hand, a robot vacuum is a hands-free device for vacuuming and mopping your floors only. The main feature of this vacuum cleaner is the auto-empty base, similar to what you would have seen in a robot vacuum. So after every cleaning run, when you dock the vacuum cleaner, this base automatically empties all the dust from the tank into a disposable box inside the base. So no more touching the dust and no more mess while emptying the bin within the vacuum cleaner. When you pick it up again, it is recharged, empty, and ready to go. Now, depending on how often you clean, the base can hold dust for up to 45 days, after which we can empty the bin in the dock like you would have emptied the bin in any vacuum cleaner. Both the auto-empty bin and the bin in the vacuum have HEPA filters, which prevent the dust collected from re-entering the air, overall maintaining hygiene post-cleaning and protecting the motor. It also has the odor neutralizer technology to reduce bad smells from the stored dust in the auto-empty base. When you pull the vacuum backwards for most other vacuum cleaners, it just spreads the dust around rather than picking it up. This is because most vacuum cleaners have a single directional cleaning when you're pushing the vacuum. That is changing now with this Shark vacuum. It has a DuoClean Detect nozzle with 2 brush rolls which can capture dirt and dust in both forward and reverse direction for better and faster cleaning. The other thing that stood out to me is the MultiFLEX Wand. This MultiFLEX Wand actually bends 90 degrees. See how the wand folds down and can slide under the sofa? It does not need any special attachments. Once you're done, it can be brought back to its position for normal use. No more extra attachment to store. This vacuum cleaner comes with all the essential attachments. The floor attachment is a dual clean roller, which works for different types of floors. It's one single roller for carpets and hard floors, unlike most other vacuum cleaners where you need to switch the attachments between carpets and hard floors. It also has a motorized upholstery attachment for cleaning your mattresses, sofas, and curtains. It includes a multi-surface tool for dusting different types of surfaces like TVs, tables, side tables, or even your keyboard. And a crevice attachment for dusting and cleaning corners of furniture like sofa, bed, or your window or balcony railing. One of the most frequent questions I get asked is about hair wrapping around the brushes and how easy it is to remove. This Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty uses an anti-hair wrap technology, which means the design of the brush roll prevents hair from tangling around the brush, which in turn means less maintenance. As you can see, minimal hair is tangled around the brush. This vacuum cleaner has the PowerDetect technology with many smart sensors which help it to adapt its suction and increase it by 3x as required to give the best cleaning outcomes. It is able to increase the suction power when it detects an area with extra dust. It is also able to boost the suction power when it detects carpets which generally need additional suction for better cleaning of dust, pet hair, and debris that is stuck within its fibers. It can increase suction power by 50% when cleaning carpets without needing to change the attachment at all. It is also able to triple the suction power for better cleaning of edges and corners. It is also able to auto-illuminate dark areas to spot debris, adjust suction, and work under low light conditions. This means this vacuum does not need to run at maximum power all the time, which would drain the battery faster. It adapts the suction power as required. We can also manually select specific modes of operation between eco, auto, or boost. Now the whole unit, the vacuum plus base, is fairly compact and it can easily fit into any corner of your house. You can also fold up the vacuum cleaner unit and store it away when it is not in use. The motor, without the attachments, weighs less than 2 kgs, light enough for even cleaning overhead. This Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty has a 70-minute runtime per charge, so more than enough for a full house cleaning, including floors and your weekly upholstery cleaning. The LED display on the vacuum cleaner shows us the mode of operation operation and the battery status. You can also manually select the mode of operation, eco, auto or boost mode, which is then shown on the LED display. So to wrap up, this Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty cordless vacuum cleaner with an auto empty base, anti-hair wrap technology, flexible wand, 70 minutes runtime and adaptive suction solves some of the biggest problems many of us have with using cordless vacuum cleaners. It makes the vacuum cleaner maintenance free as well as convenient. The Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty is the most powerful vacuum in Shark's range of vacuum cleaners. There are a few other variants that you can pick based on your needs. The Shark Detect Clean and Empty comes with a single brush roll for both carpets and floors, adaptive suction, 30-day capacity, auto empty base and a flexi wand with a 60-minute runtime. The next is the Shark Clean and Empty that also includes an auto empty base with only 30-day storage, 40 minutes of runtime and only dirt and floor sensors. And lastly, the Shark Power Pro Pet cordless vacuum cleaner for a 50-minute runtime, a flex wand, manual emptying and floor detect sensor only. Shark has recently launched their products in India and they are well known globally for their cleaning appliances. All their products come with a 2-year warranty on the product and they service from 330 plus service centers across India. You can check the current price and availability from the links in the description. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2.5 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.